Okay, in this video, we'll talk about how to wind on a Turkish spindle. Let's say you have spun some length of yarn and now you're ready to wind on. Make sure you keep the spun singles taut, and I normally is to walk it back in a figure 8 so they don't get tangled. And when I'm ready to wind on, see the fiber comes, the singles come from here. I normally wind on over 2 and 1. So you go over 2, just twist this hand, twist your spindle and 1, and keep twisting, over 2 and 1, over 2 and 1, over 2 and 1. So you get a nice looking pattern, especially if you spin a hand-dyed fiber with the color changing. It's very satisfying to see the pattern with the changing colors. So I will spin a little bit more to show you the winding on again. Now half hitch, okay, twist, okay, I'm ready to wind down again. Keep it taut, walk it back, and flick it off top. Now over 2 and 1, over 2, you see I'm twisting the spindle as I go, and 1, over 2 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 and 1. Now I'm ready to go again. Half hitch, there.